Good morning. I'm on my way to Costco. First of all, I want to go get my car maintenance done. The Lexus, we have a smaller car that I use for like everyday errands, small errands. But the main car, which is the Lexus, I'm taking it to get the maintenance done, and after that I'll go to Costco and get some stuff, just some healthy stuff. I'm just going to give you guys a little recap before we start our movement. But this video or this vlog is going to basically be a Costco haul vlog mostly, even if I have other things to do. But if I try to bring you guys for everything, I'm not going to vlog because it's going to be very exhausting. So we're just going to do Costco haul. This is my go-to outfit for errands. A big t-shirt and a top. Usually I leave the t-shirt very big, but today I'm feeling like cinching it in, and I'm looking good. Even if your girl has added some weight, but I don't care. Still gonna rock it regardless. I've added weight, but that's fine. Anyways, let's get everyday errand slippers, which is this is my workaholic shoe, and it shows. So I'm just gonna put that on and head over to my first location because I have lots of errands to do today. But yeah, I also plan on washing my car, but I'll wash the small one, the one that goes through it a lot with me, especially now with gas. Girl, this having like the smaller car is really very, it comes in very handy because the price of gas now, if I'm to fill my Lexus, it takes me, with the way how expensive gas is, to fill that Lexus is 60 something dollars. But with the small one, 35, 37, doesn't even get to $40. You're feeling it, and you're feeling it 2 times a week. I know I'm missing something. I think I need to grab my bag and and all right. See you guys at maybe Costco. I wasn't filming, but yeah, we're gonna get the bread. This one. I didn't show you guys, but I got this chicken skewers. Got this for the kids. It's really nice. Yeah. In case you guys want goat meat, they have goat meat here, but the goat meat here does not have the skin, so that's just the downside. This looks good. Breakfast potatoes made with avocado oil, with chicken sausage. This might be really good. How many calories? 168 grams of protein. Really good. Looks good. Well, I don't need it. Contemplating between this one and the croissant over there, but I'm trying to see the calories. 18 grams of protein, 380. How many grams of protein? This is for the kids though, so they can have that for breakfast. It's more calories and less protein. I'm going to take this one in the cart. Sweet potato fries. I eat this a lot. Been wanting this perfume, but I don't know how it smells. I've been wanting this perfume, but I don't know how it's going to like come up on me. So I'm gonna try it. I came to pick up my daughter's stuff from Zara that I ordered online. So I want to try. This thing I'm doing is actually outside my comfort zone because with this girl filming. So this product here, I'm gonna show you guys this one. Loving it. It's good, but it's giving me Valentino vibe. It's good. It's okay. Let me try this one. Right? Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. What's that? I know it's not smelling. Right, right. Someone that is selling her markets says it smells good. I've never smelled it before. Let's check the next one that I would like to try. This one. Let's try it. No vlog. Yeah. The U is the one I want to try. I'm sorry. I hope you're not comfortable. I hope you don't mind. No, I don't mind at all. I know. Thank you. Thank you. This one smells okay. Like, I don't like it. I need to see the rave about this perfume. Now, the Valentino, the pink one. Oh, the pink one is nice. This hair and gloss mist. Hair care. Let's look for the real perfume. And they don't have it. That's basically what I came to try. Found it here. We're about to go to church. Yesterday I made Greek yogurt. This is a non-fat one, and I added. What's that? I added.
Is it real? You said.
I don't know really. Oh my god, this little one. She never lets me rest. She's always in my business. Added chia seed. I wanted it to like ferment, so I added it yesterday night. So today it's going to ferment, and blueberries and strawberries, and later I'm going to add a little banana. And yeah, it looks good. I'm just keeping it in the fridge for it to ferment. Yesterday was super busy for me. I didn't even have the time to come back and talk to you guys. But yeah, we're off to church. I didn't do any makeup. Wearing a very simple dress. No makeup. If I do too much, I will not go to church. So minimal jewelry as usual. I think it's so much better. The light is now is on. So if my window is open or the door window, whatever is open, the door blinds is open. It's easier for you guys. It's better quality than when it's closed. So yeah, yesterday I did lots of shopping. I went to Costco. I went to get my car maintenance done on the Lexus. The other smaller car, I was supposed to take it for detailing for them to wash it to the car wash. I wasn't able to do that yesterday, but probably I'll get that done today. And I went to, as I said, I went to Costco. I went to Walmart. Costco, I go there for like very essential protein items. For Walmart, I go there for little things that I don't want to buy in bulk, because you guys know Costco, everything is in bulk, and I'm not about that life. It's been so much fun. Yesterday I came back so exhausted. Today I'll be stopping at Zara to pick up some things for Isabel. I ordered some things online from the Zara sale for her. Ryan's own came 2 weeks ago. Isabel's own is going to be coming in. It's already in the store. I just need to go pick it up. So I'm going to Zara today. Today is Sunday after church, and I plan on picking okra soup. And I also plan on stopping at Target to do some return. I also went to Target yesterday. I don't know how I'm going to do all those things, but trust me, I get them done. And the funny thing is, these are the kind of things that give me joy. I enjoy shopping. I enjoy just going to the store, shopping. I don't see that as work. It helps me because I get my step in, I stay active, but I'm spending money. But it's okay. So we're going to do the return, go to Burlington. Sorry, not Burlington. I might stop at Burlington too, because I got this pan from Burlington. Let me show you guys. I got this pretty pan. It's the, what's it called? Simply Cafalon. I don't know if you can see the brand in here, but it's super nice. I got it from Burlington, and I'm seeing something like, it's scratch, but it's looking like a scratch inside. But I don't think it's a scratch. But I'm going to another Burlington with it. If I see the same pan in another Burlington, the one close to the Target I'm going to, because I'm going to a different Target, then I will take it rather than this one and return this one. It wasn't cheap anyways. Even if it's in Burlington, it's about $23. I don't know how much the initial price was, but I got it on, it's looking like a sale for $23. That means I wonder how much it would have been if it wasn't a sale. Probably $40-50 if it wasn't a sale. But I like it. It looks really good, well made. Yeah, I think that's it. And I will go to church and talk to you guys. It's almost time. We have 10 minutes. Our church is right by us, so it's fine. Bye. Here.
What is there?